Hi, I'm Rachel, the Busy Mom Health Coach.
Yummy!
I'd love to teach you how to make the easiest grain-free one-serving bread. Add 2 tablespoons of almond flour to a greased ramekin. Add an egg and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Whisk well. It doesn't need to be perfectly whisked if you're going to toast it later. Microwave. Yes, microwave for about 90 seconds or until set through. Then use a butter knife around the edges to loosen the bread. Turn the bread over on a plate and release from the ramekin. Cut in half with a sharp bread knife so you don't squish your newly cooked bread. Toast in the toaster or fry in a frying pan with some coconut oil or butter. You can use these for sandwiches, toast, or even mini pizzas. After toasting, top with butter or coconut oil. I'm allergic to milk, so I used coconut oil. Yum, they are so tasty!